it. If I were a word, what would I be? Silly. That's just one of my character traits, and that's probably the best word that describes me. If I were an actor, I'd be Johnny Depp, because I think he's really funny. Well, if I were the master of the world, I'd be the master of the world. Because I wouldn't know of one that is alive, so I'd just be Queen Natalie. If I were a present, I'd be a fantastic laptop. Because I just got one, and I love the hell out of it. If I were a fantasy, I think I'd just be very, very rich. I would have lots and lots of friends. I'd live on an island, but would be able to beam myself to every major city where I can go shopping anytime I want. If I did have a defect that I don't have right now, then it would probably be really, really crooked teeth, because then I would never be able to smile. I don't know.